And we're back to learning Freecodecamp. I finally made it through the last one here for visualize data. This time it's a tree map. It was a tough nut to crack. I had to search for a little bit of help online here and there, but it seems to run properly. We have a tooltip, we have a legend, and it should fulfill the user story. I've pasted everything here in the HTML part on CodePen. So if you just copy paste this into your code editor, Notepad, whatever you use, you should be able to see everything in the browser. You can access this. It's public, but if there are issues with the link that I'm going to paste in the video description below, let me know in the comments. Here, let me rename that. I had it on the right side before, but it's this bottom part, the legend and the tooltip. So I use bottom here. I'm also going to link to a Notion post that has helped me quite a lot in getting through this exercise. Here are our legend elements. Then I've linked to the script. I've fetched the data. I've used the second, so the movie data, which was the second that was given Freecodecamp. We draw the tree map, which is this square of tiles. Each has a block and each is given a different color depending on the category. So I have to find the colors here and they fit to the colors in the legend. And as I've said here, the movie data URL. So this movie data was used and it was this exercise on Freecodecamp, the Treemap Diagram. Once again, here it is. So we could also use the Kickstarter pledges or video game sales. And I'm quite happy that I went through this because it was a little bit tiresome in the end. We've got more course sections to do here, but I have to be honest and say that this is now my limit. So I had some coding experience and I was a little bit ahead of the curve, but now this is totally new to me. So I don't know if I can code this, and I definitely can't know if I can code this and learn this within a week. So I don't think that I can keep up my uploading schedule for the Freecodecamp curriculum. I might jump back and forth and see what I can do and what takes me more time to learn. So I don't want to promise that I can keep it up with this curriculum, but I'll try to get through what I can do. Once again, link is in the description for the tree map and also the Notion post of a guy, I believe he calls himself Ganesh. So check it out. He has really helped me a lot in getting through this exercise. I hope my solution is helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.